everyone, this time we have a Titanfall inspired build. We've used the standard exoframe, modified of course. We've made the legs longer and the arms longer as well. And with the modification to the torso, this makes the cockpit extra roomy, which allows our pilots to wear bigger headpieces. To close the cockpit, just connect these studs here to the front part like so. And my favorite part of this build is this piston mechanisms here on the legs, which you can pose however you want. Okay, so this kit will come with 3 weapons. We have the rocket launchers mounted here. Then we have the staff, which can be held by simply closing the fingers like so. Lastly, the rifle can be held likewise. Alright, so with the weapons equipped and ready for battle, this will be accompanied by Mouse here from the Steel Wolf squad. And if you want me to make more of Titanfall like mechs, please let me know down in the comments. Okay, thank you for watching and keep on building.